Yes, see how to solve this determinant of order 3. So this is the determinant of order 3. There are 3 rows and 3 columns, and we can find the value of the determinant. We can expand this determinant. Now we are going to expand this determinant along the first row. Okay, so write the first element of the first row, it is 3. Write the element as it is, and then skip the elements which are in that row and column. So this elements in the first row and the first column we will skip. Then write down these 4 elements which are left in the determinant of order 2 by 2. So we will write the determinant 0, minus 1, minus 5, 0. Okay, so 3 into this determinant. Then while writing the second element, change the sign of the second element. Here it is negative, so I have written plus 1. We have to change the sign of the second element. Okay, so plus 1 into, again skip the elements which are in this column and the row. So remaining elements are 0, minus 1, 3, 0. I have written here. This is the determinant 0, minus 1, 3, 0. Write the third element. This is minus 2. Write it as it is. No need to change the sign. Only we are going to change the sign of this second element only. Okay, so minus 2, write it as it is and skip the elements of this column and row. Then write the remaining elements 0, 0, 3, minus 5 in the determinant with minus 2. Okay, so now these are the 2 by 2 determinants. It's very easy to solve this 2 by 2 determinant. It is 3 into 0 minus 5 into minus 1. So it will be positive 5. So 0 minus 5. Then plus 1 into, this multiplication is 0 minus 3 into minus 1. So minus of minus 3. And then minus 2 into this 0 minus 3 into 0 is again 0. Okay, so don't change the order. We have to multiply these elements first and then minus the multiplication of these elements. Okay, so we get 3 into minus 5, minus 15. 1 into 3, this is 3, and this last term will be 0. That is minus 12. So value of this determinant is minus 12. In this way, we can find the value of the determinant of order 3. So this is the expanding the determinant along the first row. I have expanded this determinant along the first row. Now next example, here this is matrix. So if matrix A is given, it is of order 3 by 3. Then we have to show that determinant of 3 into A is equals to 27 into determinant of A. Here matrix is A. Matrix A is given. We can convert this matrix A into determinant. So when we convert this matrix A into determinant, I have written this determinant of A is equals to. Now this is the determinant. Observe these two carefully. It is written in box bracket. That is the matrix, and here it is written in the straight line. So it is the determinant, and we can find the value of the determinant. I have solved this determinant. This 1 into 4 minus 0. Okay, 4 minus 0 directly I have written. Then second term is 0. So since this is 0, the sign whatever it will be, so 0 doesn't matter. It is 0 into 0 into this multiplication we are getting as 0 because we have to skip these elements. Okay, so 0 into 4, 0, and minus 2 into 0 is again 0. So minus 0 into, and if we are writing 0 here, whatever the numbers are, you will get 0 only. Plus 1, the last term, plus 1 into, again here we are getting 0 minus 0 multiplication. So we can find the value of this determinant, and this value is 1 into 4, remaining terms are 0. So determinant of A is 4. Value of this determinant is 4. Okay, and now I am going to find this right hand side. It is 27 into determinant of A. So right hand side is 27 into determinant of A. This multiplication is 108. So our right hand side is 108. Okay, so this is our right hand side. Now for the left hand side calculation, this is a determinant of 3 into matrix A. So this is matrix A. Multiply the elements of this matrix A by 3. So okay, so 3 into A. Multiply each element by 3. I have this multiplication is written here. 303. The elements of this matrix 3A are 303, then 0, 3, 6, second row, 0, 0, 12, third row. So multiply each element of matrix A by 3. Okay, and then take its determinant. So this is determinant of 3 into A. This is determinant of 3 into A. So solve this along the first row only. 3 into this multiplication, 12 into 3, this is 36, minus 0 into 6. Then middle term is 0, it will become 0, and plus 3 into this multiplication is also 0, 0 minus 0. Okay, so 3 into 36, we get this value of this determinant as 108. So 108, this is equation number 2. See this equation number 1, this is also 108, 108, this is also 108. So left hand side is equals to right hand side. So we can say that from 1 and 2 we get determinant of 3A is equals to 27 into determinant of matrix A, determinant of A.